Okay, here's how you cook rice in a rice cooker. We're going to use this Trader Joe's brown jasmine rice. First, we need to wash the rice in fresh water. Then we're going to measure the rice, pour it into our rice cooker, and then pour water on top and set the cooker. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to cook 2 cups of brown rice. I'm just going to use this pitcher here to measure 2 cups. Okay, and then I'm going to wash this rice in the pitcher, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit of fresh water in there, mix it around with my hand. And see how the water is kind of mucky? I'm just going to do the same steps over and over again until the rice water is clear. So it's usually about 3 to 4 times. Okay, so that was about 6 rinses, so it's definitely a little bit better. It's never going to get totally clear, but you definitely want to rinse off whatever may have been on the rice, like dirt or sediment. I like to use a pitcher like this because then I can easily pour out the water and prevent the rice from falling down the drain. Okay, now let's pour this into our rice cooker. All right, this is the rice cooker I like to use. It's made by Elite Gourmet. I purchased this on Amazon. I'll share a link below in the description. I purchased this one because it's made with a stainless steel inner pot. So a lot of the rice cookers are made with an aluminum pot, but I prefer stainless steel cookware. So that's why I purchased this one. You can make about 5 cups of rice in this rice cooker, and it will keep the rice warm after it's finished cooking. I've always had good results with this, and so that's why I recommend this one. Okay, we're just going to pour our 2 cups of rinsed brown rice into the rice cooker. Make sure to get all the little pieces. Now I'm going to fill this up with 4 cups of water. When you're cooking brown rice, the basic ratio of water is 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water. So 1 part rice to 2 parts water. Rice cooker is definitely at a boil. I don't know if you can see it with the camera, but there's steam coming out of this little hole right here. You're definitely going to want to turn that hole to be not underneath a cooking or underneath a cabinet, because it will accumulate moisture above whatever the rice cooker is below. So make sure that you turn that little hole so that it doesn't get your whole cabinets nice and wet. Okay, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished cooking. Okay, and here's what the rice looks like cooking in a pot after about 25 minutes of cooking. We still have some cook time to go, so I'll check back with you when it is almost finished. Alright, and here's what the rice in the rice cooker looks like when it's almost finished cooking. Do you see how all that moisture has basically gone away and there's little holes that have developed in the rice? That is basically the final amount of liquid that's being evaporated away. So, okay, the rice cooker has officially turned to warm. So what you want to do right away, if you can, is you're going to remove the lid, take a rice paddle that you have wet. You want to use a wet rice paddle like this, or even a fork if you have that, and just stir the rice around so that you are scooping it off of the bottom of the pot, because this is what will help prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom of the pot. If you don't do this step, your rice probably will stick to the pot a little bit. It's not a big deal, but if you want to avoid any waste, this is definitely something to do. Then you're going to cover the pot again, and in about 10 minutes the rice will be fully finished cooking. So I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. And here's what the rice looks like after sitting for 10 minutes on the warm setting of the rice cooker. Now this rice is ready to serve. See, it's nice and fluffy and moist, and this is going to be really delicious. I'm excited to eat this. All right, I hope you enjoyed watching this video of how to cook rice in a rice cooker. And I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.